Hey, so I'm gonna turn this down. Hold on. Alright. Yeah, I'm wearing Charlie Sheen shirt because I'm the boss. And yeah, I'm wearing these glasses. Don't like it. Don't care. So I wanted to make a video about what people say about me. Yeah, well, what people say about each other in general. Truthfully, what you say about me, I could really care less. Just like, say what you want, I really, it doesn't matter. Um, yeah. So, but seriously, don't talk about people behind their back. Not cool. And, yeah. Don't be a douche. And, yeah. I'm gonna go now because this is pretty pointless, but I look really cute and my eyes look really cool. Just like, yeah. So, I look like the lead singer of I Wrestled There Once. That's really weird. But, I'm gonna go now. Deuces. Bye.